loved me for who I can't go back to.
Hi guys, welcome my channel. Today I'm going to show how to create a reverb and slowed song in Premiere Pro. Let's see. Firstly, you want reset your seed, duration like 70%. Now, get to effect. Yes, you can type here like this. Now, customize your effect. Oh ho, that's really nice. Now I want to add some beat this song.
No chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who I can't go back to.
Now really nice, guys, wow. So, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe me. See you guys, bye bye.